Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dom and we talk about unusual options activity. Alright, let's kick it off with a disclaimer here. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this program are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. I'm starting to get ahead of myself saying that there because I memorized it and looked back and where the hell am I at on the disclaimer? Alright, so now we have a crazy market going on, everybody. I don't want to talk about those stocks on this channel, but if you know, you know. And I would recommend maybe staying away from that. And yeah, it's just a crazy market. I'm not going to bring up those stocks on this channel because I don't want anybody on this channel to be left holding the bag. And those stocks are going up like 100% a day, and you never know when it's going to come crashing down. And I've been dabbling a little bit into those, but I've been limiting my risk extensively by using options and using really cheap options. And I'm only putting in the money that I can afford to lose, and I'm alright if I lose it. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can probably look it up on your own. But I'm going to be bringing stocks to this channel that you're not going to be left holding the bag because, in my opinion, these stocks are going higher. And yeah, there's a lot of good fundamentals surrounding these companies. So first one is TSM. I think I brought this one up on the channel before. This is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Let's get fired up for this company. This company just reported a great quarter, and I'm kind of getting a little nervous that a sell-off is going to be approaching here, and kind of had a bad day in most of these stocks on the market today. But as you can see here, TSM was up 1%, and that's because the fundamentals are greater than ever for this company. This company has crazy demand for their chips. Companies are literally reaching out to them saying, prioritize phone chips, prioritize computer chips, please, we need all this. Literally almost like AMD, all these companies, Intel I think is outsourcing their semiconductor manufacturing to TSM. They just reported a great quarter. The fundamentals are stronger than ever, and I bought into these calls today. So yeah, as you can see here, you can just pull down this time in sales here, and I didn't even type in any filters, and you can just see 6 of these orders here. These are huge block trades. Some of these are $300,000-$400,000. These all look like they're February 145, February 150. If you just go to these February calls, seems like every single day there's like stupid amounts of volume. 20,000 contracts traded. Yesterday it was like 20,000. The other day it was like 20,000. It's ridiculous with this stock. People are all over it. I've been all over this one. I wanted to give myself a little bit of time to. This is kind of more of an investment for me. I don't want to go out and spend 13 grand to buy 100 shares. So I went out and paid about 500 bucks to control 100 shares out to March. I think I'm giving myself plenty of time with that trade. You guys have to do your own due diligence and see your own risk tolerance if you want to get into these February ones. Remember, you only have 3 weeks for those to work out. I went with the March ones. I want to give myself a little more time. It's kind of an investment for me, not as much of a trade. So yeah, keep your eye on this one. This one is a great company, great fundamentals, and if the market sells off, I don't think this one is going to sell off a lot because it just reported a great quarter. If it does sell off, I'm going to be buying it. That is for sure. Next one is INSG and Seago. This is a smaller company. This company is all about 5G. This is a 5G play. I like this company. Been following it for a while. I didn't give you TSM chart. Sorry about that. So here's a chart. And yeah, this one's had a huge run, but like I've said, the fundamentals are here for this stock, and the story is stronger than ever. It's at all-time highs, but I think it's going higher. All right, sorry about that. I'm getting too fired up about it in Seago here. So this is a 5G play. This is a straight-up 5G play. They do just 5G for your house. I'm not sure if they're in 5G for phones, 5G hotspots, 5G everything. So as you can see here, I have a position in these January 2022 20 strike calls. I saw unusual option activity in these ones, I think on Friday, so I bought into these ones, but I saw some more action, so I figured I'd bring it to you guys. You guys can just go through these trades right off the bat. I mean, I think this one's a buying order right here. There's a lot of buying, but I saw some buying in these January 2023 35 strike calls. You can see that 5,000 volume there, so we're able to spot that. come over here, and this is the order that I saw right here, 495 at $700 each. That's a pretty substantial order, and you know that's not the only person buying. It looks like at 747 somebody was coming in. I didn't really do the math to see. This one's at the midpoint, so you never really know. I think this one's a buying order. This is just kind of confusing in general. These ones at 747.53, they're at the same time here, but they're all at different prices, so it's like I don't know what's going on with that. And then these ones at 743.53, these are the same ones. I don't know what's going on with those, but I like this order right here at 1203.58. Like I said, I'm already in these January 2022 options. I'll be adding to this one if it trades down in sympathy with the market, if we do have a correction, but I'm getting a little nervous, so I'm starting to trim some positions, and I'm really starting to take on these companies that are reporting great earnings and strong fundamentals, because those are the companies that I feel don't really sell off a whole lot when there is a broader market sell-off, especially now in this stock pickers market that we have. All right, everyone. So thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. Keep the comments coming. Good dialogue. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys keep the likes going so we can get these videos out to a lot of people and share the knowledge of unusual options activity. 90% of traders lose money, and when you're following unusual options activity, that just gets you one step closer to success. Following the big money, follow the people that have the research, and you know those trades, you know, have a higher probability of working out than you just trying to do your own research and stuff. So thanks for everyone who's been showing the love. I really appreciate it. Let's make it a strong week. Stay confident, and let's go, everyone.